Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to close your Monese banking app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open your Monese app, and then when you are in the app, you will have to go to the settings menu. And then here you will have to tap on the account settings, because now we are trying to delete our account. And then in the account settings on the bottom of the screen, you will see in red the close account button. And when you tap on it, it will open up the closing page, which is going to show you some details that you won't be able to use your debit card, you won't be able to receive payments, and you will lose your account. I won't show you it for you right now because it shows all the account details, which I don't want to show on the internet. But yeah, that's going to happen, and there you will have two buttons. One of them will say no thanks, which means that you don't want to close your account, and the other one is will be the close account button. And if you tap on it, your account is going to be closed permanently. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.